Alright guys, we're back here. Channel got another sponsor, or they want us to do a review on this. And what we have here is a tire inflatable portable air compressor. And it has a digital pressure gauge on it. 12 volt, or you plug it in, charge it like we have to do still. Yeah, works on cars, bikes, whatever you need, sports balls, stuff like that. 4,500, what is are these? 4,500 milliamps batteries in it, so that's actually a pretty good one. So let's open it up and see what it is. Basically, it is a EAFC, and it's for sale on Amazon and the EAFC store. I'll have a link below. Let's take a look here. We'll do an open box. We got here return label. Well, it looks like made in China. And here we go. And that's it. So this is what we got. Let's pop it open and see what it is here. Okay. Package nice. We have instructions. Pretty good. A bag for it. Okay. Oh, we have the for the air. Put that there. We have a charger, USB port. For the car, cigarette lighter or charging station in the cars. And we have a fuse. Something to fill up a football, basketball, one of these. Haven't seen one of these in years. And let's take a look at what we have here. And that's it. That's all that's in the box. So that's it. Let's see. Looks like it has a sticker on it here. There we go. Let's see if it powers up. Okay. Hey, we got a full charge right out of the box. How's that for you? Okay, let's see. Okay, 30, 31. Let's see how far it goes up. Like my pickup truck takes, I believe 70, 75 pounds. I have the big tires on it, 31s. Yeah, look at that. That's pretty good. Yeah, we'll say it goes up pretty darn good. Let's see if we can... Oh, it looks like it has presets. So you hit this button right here. Already set from the factory. So we'll take it. Okay. I don't know what this one has. Has a picture of like a dog paw on it or something. Oh, that's your flashlight. I guess in a jam, it might work. Yeah, pretty nice. Feels nice and heavy. Alright, let's take a look right here. Oh, let's shut this off. There goes that. Let's see what we got to do to charge it, although it's charged. There we go. Let's take a look here. Has everything right here. Boom, let's put this in here. And let's go for it. Alright, it just shows this. It's charging. Alright, then we have this. Let's see how this connects. We have some threads in there. And this is threaded right here, so let's see. I'm assuming orange goes with orange. Okay. Now basically we just screw this on and see what happens. So, I say let's give this a try and see how it works. So hold on one second. Alright, we're back here. I'll let a little bit of air out of this tire. So let's screw this in. See what happens. Alright. Let's go. Let's power it up. There we go. Okay, we're at 27. We want to be at 33, it says on the door. So let's go with 34. Put a little extra and just hit this. Let's see how long it takes. Alright guys, so yeah, there you go. I don't know how much time that took, but when I go to create the video, we'll do a countdown and see how long it took to put in those, put in that amount of air in this thing. So there you go, it stopped by itself. We got 34 pounds in there. Just unscrew it. Boom. Put your cap back on. And there you go. Alright, so yeah. Alright, so we're back here. Yeah, it worked. It did its job. We have this much battery remaining. That's not too bad from full charge. So in a pinch, this thing will blow up a pull tire. So now we just take it apart. That's it. Let's shut it off. And here we go. So you got a nice little bag right here. Goes inside here. Your hose goes in here. Put that on. Put this in here. And then this would go in next. Pretty good. And that's it. Just put it in the trunk of your car, and it says the battery will last up to a year charged. I haven't had it a year. I just got it. Me personally, I think after 3 months I would recharge it again. Maybe 4 months. Who knows? Well, every once in a while I'd throw it on the charger. You know, come home one night, put it in, plug it in, and you know, put it back in the next morning when you're on the way to work.